Well, folks, it's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. We've done it again. We're selling the best boats in the Pacific Northwest. We have probably the finest 340 Sea Ray Sundancer. It's a 1999. You will not find a better one than this. It is in amazing condition. Watch my engine room compartment. That says it all. Engine rooms tell you a lot about how people keep their boats up, and this is a real fine example and realistically priced. Some are priced right now. The owner wants it sold. Put a realistic number on it for you. We have a 2026 survey available. We will not send it to you. You got to phone me about it. My phone number is 604-708-1980. It is a Canadian boat. Pacific Coast Yacht Sales is a bonded and licensed in Washington State, and we're certified brokers in British Columbia. We're the only brokerage with that designation. We are experts at import-export of both Canadian and American boats. This is a super fine boat. It's got a bow winch on it. It's got the, what is it, the Lowrance unit on there. All chain, I believe, plow anchor. Twin 7.4 Mercury engines in it. The canvas is in beautiful shape. The inside of the boat has no funky smells. It's got a generator with 241 hours, was it, or 214? I can't remember now. I look at so many boats today. This is a fine example of a 340 Sea Ray Sundancer. Bayliner price, Sea Ray quality all the way around. Somebody's gonna get themselves a killer boat at a killer price point. Pacific Coast Yacht Sales, 31 years in business doing this. We love it. We love boats. Give us a call, 604-708-1980. I'm Philip. I'm the owner of the company. Been in the boat business my whole career. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks again.